Gonna make this short and sweet. I don't do no unboxing videos, so I'll just do a little quick footage of what just came out of this box. I've been waiting for this for a long time. It's when I first saw a boat on the water about 10 years ago. It was a Miss Gieco. I had one, a small one, and I got the real version, the big boy. Twins, baby. I like twins. I like two at a time. But let's make this quick. Fiberglass, tough as nails. Fiberglass inlay. Twin motors, 1800. Twin ESCs. I think they're about 120, maybe 160, the most. A little servo, ready to run. Oh yeah, she's ready. We out here. New to the fleet. Another twin, baby. We out here. Team Power Racing. Look at her. Look at her. She's beautiful. She about to do some serious moving. She's fast. She's too fast. I don't know. We'll see. Run's coming soon.